Hello and welcome back to Satisfactory. Since last time I have spent quite a bit of concrete. All of this used to be a landscape, but now it's concrete. And in case you're wondering, I decided to build across all this poison gas right in the middle of our base. So I have a huge building here. I did need to raise the train tracks just a little bit. That was well, kind of a bummer, and I haven't completed all the walls yet, but we'll get that done. It did mean I had to reroute the water pipe, and of course I upgraded it to the tier 2. So yeah, and then around the building. So yeah, the reason we have this is because on top of this rock we have more of the poison gas emitters, but what I have here should keep me safe, so I'm not getting into contact with all the poison gas. And yes, I did figure out how to make the lines straight. It's just a matter of putting down straight sections and then connecting them. So put down that straight section, put down this, connect the two. Then it'll make the nice curves and the straight lines. So it can be done. It's just a lot more difficult than I thought. And it's a different process. But what we want to do today is continue a little bit on the logistics. And while I was working, I did buy this glass. I find that a little bit better too. It's a nicer surface I can see through. So just all around like that, a lot better. But let's see, how much space do we have in here? We have all the space we need. If I can get into this one. And we need 100 of those thingies. I'm missing some bits and pieces here. Where are my bits and pieces? Did I pick up my bits and pieces? Because it should have a bunch more. And that's the L-clad sheets. Oh, maybe I just sorted this one. That might happen. I think we got enough now. Anyway, let's pop all this stuff in and get Logistics Mark 5 out of the way.
Milestone reached. Improved conveyor belts and lifts can now be constructed.
Thank you, Ada. Let's just check a look at Mark 5. Yeah, that's the L-clad. And that'll do 780 per minute. Yeah, I think I'll stick to the Mark 4s at 480 for the moment. But definitely worth upgrading to those at some point. And this color gun is annoying. Now, I did research all my hard drive. So they're all gone. I think the last one, yeah, it's also gone. If we have a look in here, I did get a few things. Let's see. Reinforced iron plate. I got one for that. There's a modular frame was another one. So that's 2 reinforced plates and some 10 steel pipes. Sometimes I just had to make a choice. Not the most suitable ones. I believe heavy modular, we already saw that one. And plastic we already know. Was another one. Was it not circuit boards? Computer, no, where is it? I completely forgot which ones. Aluminium ingots. there was one option, but I didn't take that. Where is it? Supercomputer? No. No. I know I got another recipe for the uranium fuel rods. This do that. So 100 instead of the 50, 10 instead of the 5, but instead of encased industrial beams, we use oscilloscope oscillators and beacons, and it'll make 3 instead of 1. So it's a lot cheaper on the encased uranium cell, but we need other bits. So I took that one just because. I also got a new fuel, turbo fuel, which is regular fuel, heavy oil, sulfur and petroleum coke. Only things we need to make this one is actually sulfur and oil. I make this from oil, and I can make this one from plastic. This one I make from heavy fuel. So yeah, definitely worth it. So there was not much really that I could see a use for. It's I think it was batteries. Yeah, batteries we also got another recipe. So sulfur, alkyd, plastic and copper wire. That might actually be a bit of a better recipe. But that's how it is today. Let's see, I think our thingy is back, yeah. Let's have a look at the next one, that's the hover pack. Motors, heavy frames, computers and more of those. Let's just pop it in. I just decided that let's just clean out all of this. So we should get all these things. I might actually have stolen resources from this one when I shouldn't. That would be bad of me. Let's see, I'm missing 2 motors and... well, I got the motors there. And I got those. So no, I didn't steal resources from it, I just had them scattered. There we go. Now the hover pack I'm interested in building.
Milestone reached. The hover pack enables aerial overview of all powered factories, as well as easy transport across multi-level buildings by wirelessly connecting to the power grid.
Thank you, Ada. Let's go over here and have a look. I'm pretty sure we need to go here. That off. Where is my... where is it? Hover pack. It needs motors, good. Heavy modular, computers, and what's this? Alkyd. Wow. That's fairly easy. Heavy frames are over here. Oh yeah, they're here. And we need some alkyd. Nope, I need to get this way. What's this? Wrong one? I need this one. Alkyd. 200. Thank you. Hover pack. Build. I don't know if we need the... let's see. I probably do this. Up pack. Ooh, I can just float around and I can go fast. How do I get down? I would expect something like shift or you know what? I don't like this. How do I get down? Let's see. Controls. Do we have any key bindings? I want down. No? Down, 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 down. Forward, backwards, right, left. C? C. Okay, I didn't expect C to be the one. Fair enough. Fair enough. Let's just take a look at the next one then. We got 3 things left. This one? Yeah, this one is. They need to be taken in order, I guess. What's that? Cooling system. That's from there. What's this? Turbo motor. That's from there. Yeah, they need to be taken in order. So this one is not tough, but I'm not really interested in doing that right now. I need to find out the range of this flying contraption. Okay, I just drop when I get too far. Right, so I need a power line. But with the power line, I can just keep. Can I just keep going? Yeah, it looks like it. Interesting. It also means that if I build the power line up, so distance does matter. I probably shouldn't discard my jetpack. That would probably be a bad idea. But what I want to do is actually let's get down here to have a look. I got a very cramped factory. I want to set up something that will make my life easier, but we don't really need all that much stuff after this. I mean, we got 3 milestones left there and 1 up here. So let's just start the goal. We need to produce for this one. What do we need here? Assembly director system. 4,000 of those. That's going to take forever. Okay, well, that's just how it goes. Right, we need let's just find it then. Assembly director system. Make that. This do that. Which means we need these doodads. One of those, 2 of those. Oh, this is gonna end badly. Well, it actually makes 2, so remove 1. Fair enough. And we need the supercomputer to do that. Well, that's a whole lot of things. What will be the best way to do that? I think we need to set up the factory over there. You can always bring stuff over here or just move the entire launch facility. That will actually be fairly easy. First though, let's get to this point. I do want a concrete floor down here. Let's see. Assembly director system. And you are made in an assembler. So, to make it a little bit faster, because these things are slow. Oh, there's a concrete thing in the way. I'm going to move you out here. There and there. Do I have my... Yeah. Can I just get rid of this? No, apparently not. Now I can. Thank you. And that's just too noisy. Right. Assembly director system. That'll make 1.5 per minute. Because I got 2. It also means that I need those. Well, we'll connect those when we got all we need. Now, power is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6 will do. Right, they are now online. Perfect. And let's remove that one from our to-do list. Add, remove, remove. We now need adaptive control units and supercomputers. Adaptive control units. One in the manufacturer, and I need to put one of those. Right, you can be made all the way over here. I'm going to spread it out. Manufacturer, I am out of plastic. By the way, how much space? Not much. And I'm out of power. Just leave the plastic here. I know we got factories for a few of the things, but we don't need to be terribly efficient with what we use. And yes, I did try blowing those up. Can't be done. So they come in there. You will come in there. And you will make adaptive control units. Good. Now, we do 1 per minute of these. And how much did we need here? We need 3 per minute. So to keep this one happy, we actually need to make 3. Right. Down you go. And we are going to go up a little bit. Then we can keep the lower floor down here for whatever. So we go up that much. That should give us... No, wait a minute. I want one higher. There. That should give us what we want. And I'm still out of power. Well, it works as long as I got my power lines set up. Then this works fine. We're going to mark our spot with that. And the rest of them will be the glass. I did buy those off cam because they were just nice. What? Ah, okay. It never built that one. I was just surprised I could go through it. I did not expect that. So we're going up and this way. Now, to be honest, I needed 3 manufacturers to keep up. And I'll just use 1 manufacturer to hide that one. So that's 1. And we need a lot more. Need to go way down here. Ooh, do I have? I got. Oh yeah. Notice the material. I'm using concrete to make windows. I find that pretty entertaining. That the concrete can actually be made transparent. Oh, wrong one. This one. Glass foundation. Da, da, da. That's 2. And 1 more. Should make it work. And I'm totally out of range. And I'm out of motors. Well, that's just brilliant. Let's go get some motors. Just follow the power lines. That way I can keep flying. Motors are up here. I guess 1 stack will do. And let's see, we need more power line. At least for now, we just bring it up like this. Right, 1 manufacturer to go. Wow, that was definitely the wrong place. There, that's where we put it. And you go to the... Now, these are for adaptive control units. Now, I don't know how much I need of everything, but let's try matching it up without overclocking. So that's 1. And the other thing I need is supercomputers. which I can make in 1.8 per minute, and I need 1.5. So I just need one additional manufacturer for that. Now I can see that this row shouldn't be that. Don't need that. So I think instead we're going to take you and you and replace you with these. Pillar thingy can disappear. We're going to make this instead. Okay, and do E5 there, 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 and plug in these. I think I need to get just a bit closer to make sure I don't mess up. There. Now it actually looks like it's supported. And just need to get this one to the right place, which is there. Cool. Next item. That was computers. Or rather, supercomputers. That's another assembler. Let's go for same recipe. We got one out, so there. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that should leave me 3 in between. I know how far it goes here. It's 2. And 1 and 2 and 1, 2, and then the top cap, and that point. Now I don't exactly know how wide I need to make this, but can you please sit down? Thank you. I can hear a funny blowing noise. And I guess we'll do one more like this. Then we can make the supports as we need it. One manufacturer to go here. Or should we just make it stick? Well, it's just about one back. There. And then actually get rid of these. That's a bad one. So I don't need to hold shift. I can just point at one, hit shift once, and it'll remember. That way. Much better. Now, where is my power line? Because you need to come over here. And you are going to make supercomputers for me. There we go. Now, you are making 1.8 per minute. And you only need 1.5. Right. So that's the first part of the production line. Let's see. Lights on. Get down here. From the middle. We are going to do Mark 4 builds because I have no idea how to do anything else. Like this. And we're going to put a merger in the middle. There. That way I can go and in there. It will look nice. And there, and there, and there, and there. They look off. That was definitely not the right place. Went way too far out. They actually only need to go that far. That way they should line up. And boop, 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 boop. Right? Then we can go Mark 5 belt down. And actually we need to set this one up. Like this. Let's just check. We are getting up there. Not quite centered, but that's fine. Yeah, that should do. Let's see. From there to there. Super nice curve. And from there to there. I know we're going to be missing out on a few things, but it should be okay. Good. can you sit down? Thank you. It's a little bit easier to control this way. I wonder if that fits. I hope it does. And I hope I got enough of these encased beams. Because that'll be a bummer if I don't. And that high. And from there to there. Is that about equal height? It totally is. Right. Let's see, I think I have materials to make at least one of these. I don't have automated firing. Let's try getting one of those. Just so we can see that it actually works. That way I also got rid of a little bit of additional materials. That very nice. Now that comes from all the way over here. And I guess we're actually going to shut down some of these factories. Because we're making a better planned factory way out here. Might take a while, but we should in time move everything out. Then I might just do a what do you call it? A diversion of things. Should I make programmable splitters? Now let's see, you are constructing. It takes 2 minutes to make 2. Well, while we are waiting for this, let's have a look over here. What is it you need? You need AI limiters, which I know we are making right behind. Over there. That one over there. It's making AI limiters. We need a computer factory. We need high-speed connectors and we need plastic. I need to set up a new plastic factory, I think. And for that, we are going to use the oil we have way out. Wait a minute, what's the orientation here? Yeah, way out that way. Let's just have a look at the map. Put this one away here. Way out there. We got 3 oil. I don't know if I should make a pipeline or if I should make a train line or something. I don't know. Well, let's just check this one. Almost done, and then I'm going to grab nothing. Yeah, heavy frame. Thank you. Let's just see. They are coming along there. Yeah, that tiny bit down there will be surplus. But I actually think if I take out these and replace them with smart splitters. And of course I don't have those. Do that. So that's why I carry these around. And I want plastic as well. No plastic there, that's fine. Now if I take smart splitters, will that eat? Come on. There. And there. I think I need to replace these as well. Otherwise it will not. I don't think it connects. Right, center your overflow. Right, you are adaptive control. Is that? That's the very first one. Overflow and adaptive control unit. So it'll fill up this one and then fill up that one and send the rest onwards. That makes sense to me. Now, next item this doodad needs. Is a way to make circuit boards. That's copper wire and plastic. That's more copper and plastic, and then some screws. And yeah, okay. I need boatloads of plastic, which means I need to set up a bunch more plastic production. Let's just try it out here. Circuit boards. I need 15 per minute. That's how much per minute? Okay. Where is it? Okay, that's not in this one. That's in. We'll go back to our factory over here and do a double check. I don't think we'll get very far on this. Let's just try it. Right. I have set this one up with these, so we should be. Actually, that's exactly what I want. 15 per minute. Just a moment. Right, I just needed to collect something to write on and with. I need 4 adaptive control units. Adaptive control unit. I need double recipe. I need 15 per minute of those. Nope, I don't need 15 per minute. I need 2 per minute. Which means I need 15 per minute of circuit boards. Which takes 60 per minute of plastic and 30 per minute copper sheets. Good enough. So I need 2 assemblers. We will just hover out there and fall down. It really needs a steady power source close by, otherwise this is just no good at all. Let's go this way and see. Now out of power again. Because we do have a bit of copper surplus down here. And I actually think we're making copper sheets. Copper is coming up. Yeah, copper is just going in. No big deal. I can easily divert a bit here in this messy area down here and make an, well, did I have a different path, more efficient copper sheet? Yeah, I got 2 of them. I would actually go for this one. Needs water, but it'll make 22.5, and I need 30. Right, so that's water. Now, water is a slight issue, but there's plenty of water over there. And these will do 120. So if I say I want 4, I need 5 of them. 5 will fill up a Mark II. Let's see, that is motors. I need more. No, I don't need more motors. I got all the materials I need. But I need to figure out where my Explorer is. Because I need to take it on a small drive. And I need to change the jetpack mode. Because that's much more efficient. Then we'll run a water line down here and get something set up for that copper. Or if I find some copper closer by, I'll just set up a copper factory up there. Where is it? Over there. Right. Oh. Missed. Don't want to run that one over. I don't think running a train with water would be a good idea. Let's see, we got the waterfalls there on the left. Question is, can I get around this way without trouble? Well, that's not trouble. Wait a minute. What if I go this way? Well, let's have a look. That is actually not half bad. That's where the water is. Let's do a copper ping, just for the fun. Yeah, that's way off. I mean, it's just as far as going backwards. Right. Let's put up a bunch of water extractors then. If I put them like this, 1, 2, 3. Can I put a bunch on this side? Yes, I can. Oh, autosave. And now I'm missing motors. Of course I'm missing motors. Now, I want these to go there. And we will take from all the way down in here. I'm out of plastic. Wow, that's great planning. That's just great planning. Well, let's get some plastic and we'll get some more motors. Then we'll be good. We need plenty of plastic actually to get all the way. Yeah, well, that's just how we go. Can you please go right side up? Now I might actually have a slight problem here. There. We'll deal with it like this. We need plastic and motors. loads of plastic actually. So please give me all the plastic. You as well. All the plastic, please give. And we'll collect another stack of motors and we'll be good to go. Because I got a fair amount of the copper sheets, I believe. Yeah, I got nearly 2 stacks. That should cover me. Right. Let's get back. Now, copper sheet is not the worst thing to miss. I can easily just go and craft some more because we got a copper mine already set up to smelt copper ingots. And in case you're wondering, I did find a setting to make my water lines go much nicer. It's called the vertical setting. And if you press R while you are on the water pipes, you will see how it changes. And let's see, we need to go this way. Ah, that's a tree. And this way. And then we stop right there. Can I get up without hurting myself? No, I can't. But I should really eat some of these. Right. You can see default build mode is we do conveyor, vertical. That's the one I want. Too long. Okay. Fair enough. Now it's not too long. See how it builds? Nice straight lines. Right, and yeah, that'll do. And there. Question is, can I get across there? No, I cannot, because it's touching those. Can I build these downstairs? If I do this, will it work? No. If I hook it up like this, will it then go across? No. Okay, it has to go around. Never mind, we can do that. 8, and we will pop you there, and do 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 do. This, and from there to there. Encroaching clearance. Right. Then you won't go there. Wait a minute. You will then go way out there. That should not cause a problem. Now, this one is a lot easier. Because we're just going to make a Mark II power pole and go boop, 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 and now let's just run the power line way to here and down there. This one is a little bit trickier. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot one thing. I need to install valves. They might not be strictly necessary, but I want them. Now, did I put this one the right way? Yes, I did. Of course, I need to paint this pipeline at some point, but that will come. Now, I will put a pipeline to do that down there, and it'll go up there, and it'll go nicely through there, and we already got the power down over there. Goody good. Well, this is coming together fast. Where is the edge? And where do we have a connection point? That's gonna look funky. Now I actually need to go that way. And there's an angry creature down there. It's going to It ruined my day. I'm sure of it. Actually, this thing will. Maybe we want this one to go down. There. Right. Killing angry creature time. Where are they? There you are. Didn't know you could get up here. Well, will you stand still for a moment? I can't hit you if you're not standing still. I saw two creatures, but I think I got them both. No idea where the second one is though. Ah, never mind. We were building pipeline. And following the edge here seems like a good idea. Let's see, we are from there, 2 shots. But only barely. Okay, let's give it a try. So here, well, let me just build the rest. This is super boring to watch. There we go. Now we got water down here. Now, next up we need a couple of refineries. And they are going to go to, what am I missing? Floor to steep. Right. So they would actually need to get up here somewhere. You know what? Just going to make them make a floor. That's fine. If you want flat, you will get flat. Doesn't matter. I don't think there is anything over here. At least I don't remember seeing anything except the edge. So let's just make it flat. And then we have space for a couple of refineries. Because I believe it was 30 copper sheets per minute. And that should be fairly easy with refineries. And let's just see. Orange is in. Going to do it from over here. There. What are we? Oh, we miss it. Come on! Or say, stop doing that. I can hear mobs. Don't like that. Where is my concrete factory? Over here. some more cased beams. And I know we're making those here. So let's just get that done. Thank you. Just grab those. They will not be missed. Oh, look, another bush. And back we go. But I'm looking at the time, I don't think I have much time left, so I guess we'll finish the copper sheets today. Then we'll have to look at getting all the plastic we need next time. And between episodes I would probably be looking at mapping out what machinery I need, instead of going at it like this. Right, refinery. Are you next to... Come on, there, thank you. And as we do, up you on stilts, because that just looks a bit nicer. Hey, there, thank you. Running low on resources, I need to fill up again. Yeah, look, I'm just out of the very thing I'm going to make. That's just brilliant. No, wrong one, this one. There it is. I guess we'll just make 20-30 of them. Clicky click. 30, I think. Right. From there to there, there to there, and then we need a couple of these, and still more. Not many. Not very many. And let's see. There we go. And you are going to make steamed copper sheets. Now I probably need to install a couple of booster pumps along the way, but that'll be between episodes. I truly do not have time to get everything sorted out. Now I am actually going to put in a splitter down here. I needed 60 per minute, and I think these are doing 30 per minute, right? Yeah, so any surplus should be sent up here. Actually, not that kind of splitter. I want this kind of splitter. Center output is overflow, and Right output is copper, copper ingot. Now, first off, you will please go this way. And from there to there. And another regular splitter. And then we will go there to there. And in. Thank you. And you will do steam cupboard as well. Last bit we need is power. Which should be fairly simple because we already got power down here. Just need a power pole. And I need to return to get my explorer back. And I need to get a booster pump too. However, oh yes, I can easily make booster pumps. I just need to find out where the water actually reaches to. And I got a sneaky suspicion that going up across this hill is actually too much. That's the first point I'll check. We should be pumping water. And are we actually getting... Oh yeah, we are connected. Are we getting water across anywhere? Or did I fail to hook up something somewhere? Yeah, still hooked up. And still no water. I wonder where my water is going. Or could it be that it's actually not just going... Well, that's the problem. That would definitely do it. Can I stand at top of this one? Yes, I can. Don't touch me. I'll get angry and shoot you if you touch me. If you leave me alone, I'll leave you alone. I hope I have enough. So, from there, I do not have enough. Wow, that's a bummer. Well, now we know what the problem is, so correction time. Right, let's try it again. From there to there. Thank you. Question is, did we get any water through? No, not yet. No, I don't think so. No, I can see it. It's not getting through. See there, not getting any water across. That's the problem. Okay, booster. Booster pump. Booster pump. Can we set you up there? Thank you. And there. Cool. And now just to fix the last thing I forgot. Last time I was up in this area, and that was I needed one more of the doodaddies there. And that's missing all kinds of things. Well, boo-hoo. But this pipeline now has all the water it needs. And this drop should ensure, yeah, see, this one has water. Let's run back and check if we are producing cup sheets. Because this one is running at 600. But it obviously should. But let's just check it anyway. And running. Good, good, good. And I got all the angry mobs over here. Whoop. Ran into that one. And I got 4 iron down in this area. Yep, that one has water. That should easily carry it up and across here. Yeah, right. I trust that it has everything it needs now. Because I can't see a thing through all this. But I can see down here it has water. And this one is creating 22.5 of these per minute. I got 2 of them, so I'm getting 45 per minute. And I needed 30. So there we have it. Copper sheet factory. Now I just need to bring them all the way over there. But that will be next time. So until then, bye bye for now. See you around.